Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create your profile on Wellfound as soon as you've logged in or made an account. This is going to be this only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, as you can see, as soon as I made my account, I am taken to create your profile page. You might not be taken to it, but I'll show you at the end of the video how you can do it if it has not taken to you to this page. So just go ahead and answer these questions. Where are you based? Go ahead and do that. Best describe your current role, describe that, years of experience, student or new grad, all these things, and click on create your profile. Once you've done that, it's going to ask you your job preferences. So ready to offer, you can say any type of jobs that you're interested in, desired salaries and anything you want. So you can choose what roles you're looking for. You can also select on other things right here. Just go ahead and select all of these as well, and then simply go ahead and check what company sizes you would like to work on, what would be ideal and stuff like that. So once you've done that, just save and continue it, and there you go, your cultural fits and other stuff. So for example, what are the things that you know how to do, right? Anything, you can select up to 5, right? As you can see, whichever technologies you are ready to work on, so you can just go ahead and select all of those. You can also see what motivates you right over here. Anything is fine. As you can see, on the next 5 years, what do you want to follow? So you can just do that, right? As you can see, you can just go ahead and answer all of these anyhow and click on save and continue, and now upload your resume and it is gonna be done. That is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.